Hello and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be very exciting. So today we will learn how to customize Splunk web login page as per your customer's requirement. So what does customer's requirement mean? Suppose your customer is a big hospital and they want to customize the Splunk web login page, and they want to put some custom text, or they want to change the background image, or they want to maybe replace the Splunk logo with their hospital logo. So can they do this? Yes, this can be done. So how to do it? So today we will learn this thing. So in today's video, we will cover how to add custom text and change background image on login page. And you can customize uh, the Splunk platform login page either with plain text or HTML formatted text. HTML formatted text you can use if you want to style your text. Maybe you want to make something bold or underline something, then you can use HTML formatted text. Okay, so the first step is to locate your web.conf file, because you can put custom text in your web.conf file only. So you have to find your web.conf file first. Okay, let me show you login page first. So can you see this login page? This is the background, and here you want to put some custom text. So let's go to web.conf file first. So let's try to find our web.conf. So let's go to, right now we are in Splunk OPT directory. Let's go to Splunk HC system and then local. Let's see if web.conf is already there or not. So migration.conf is there, server.conf is there, but no web.conf. So let's create one. vi web.conf. Shift insert. Okay. So first step was to locate your web.conf. If it is not there, then create one. Now next step is you have to create a stanza settings. SETTINGS settings. Now you have to define the text which you want to put, and that will be added under login underscore content is equal to. So now let's try to put some text here. Let's say welcome to, let's try to put some styling also. Style is equal to font size. Let's give it size 30. Let's close this. Splunk and more tutorials with her channel. Now let's close the tab. And now also, if you want to put a URL link here, suppose your customer wants to put link to their website, maybe, or maybe to some other environment, some other machine, so you can put that also here. So let's try to add some URL here. Click on the link to subscribe the channel. So we have to give URL here. So ahref is equal to https://www.youtube.com with her, and let's close it. Now if you want to open this link in a new tab, then you have to put target is equal to underscore blank. And now let's close this and let's give label click here. And now let's close it. See, putting HTML styling is your wish. If your customer requires to put some styling, he want to underline or make something bold, then you can use HTML styling. So let me check if I made any mistake. We have to rectify it, otherwise our changes will not reflect. So click here is fine. Target blank, Splunk tutorials with her, YouTube, ahref. This one is correct. And yeah, it looks good. So now let's save this. Now, after putting your text and doing formatting whatever you want to do, the last step is restart your Splunk, because whenever you make any changes in any conf file, you have to restart your Splunk so that changes reflect. So let's go to bin folder. And let's restart our Splunk. Splunk restart. Let's go to our login page. So now you can see there is no custom text here. So let's see if our Splunk is ready. Okay, few moments more and it will be ready. Yes, it is ready. So let's refresh our page. Yes. Can you see the custom text which you put? Styling is a little off, I know. You can style and you can correct that. That is fine. So welcome to Splunk and more tutorials with her channel, and click on the link to subscribe the channel. So you can click here. It will open in a new tab, and here is the link. So now we learned how we can put a custom text on the login page. So I'll repeat the steps one more time. First is locate your web.conf file. Correct? If web.conf file, where you will find it? Splunk home folder, and then etc, then system, then local, then there you will find your web.conf file. If web.conf file is not there, then create a web.conf file there. Then you have to put a stanza settings, and under that stanza you have to put login content is equal to whatever text you want to put. You can do your HTML styling over there. Then close it, save it, and restart your Splunk, and just refresh the login page and you will see the changes. So now you can see the custom text which we added in the web.conf file. I'll put this stanza in the description of the video. You can copy from there and practice. I'm sure you will be able to do it. Just make sure you do not do any mistake while creating web.conf file and editing and saving your web.conf file. That's it. Now, next we will learn how to customize the login page background. You right now this is the background, some machine data you can see here. So this is the login page. So and let's see how we can do that. You can also configure the login page background image using the settings option in your Splunk web or by directly editing your web.conf file. So today we will learn how to do it through Splunk web. Let's log in. Admin. So before we learn how to change the background image, there are few prerequisites. So prerequisites are use a JPG, JPEG or PNG formatted file. This is the first prerequisite. Second is the image should be in landscape orientation and it's recommended. It's not mandatory, but it is recommended. It will look better, it will look good. And third is the maximum file size is 20 MB and suggested minimum image size is 1024 by 640 pixels. Correct? Okay, so now let's go back to our Splunk. We have to go to settings. Then under settings, go to server settings. Let's close this one. Now login background option. And here go to this option, login page background. Here you can see three options. First is no image. If you choose no image, then no image will display on login page. If you want to see, click here. And here you can see the preview. There is no background image. It's just black. And if you go to default image, you will see that image which was with machine data. Correct? And if you want to put your custom image, click here. Then click on upload. Let's choose an image. This one. Can you see the preview here? This is how our page will look. Let's save this. It says settings successfully saved. You must restart Splunk Enterprise for changes to take effect. So we'll do restart now. It will take some time. Let's wait. So today we learned two things. One was how to put custom text to your login page. And second was how to change background image of login page. Can you see? We changed the background. So this is how we can customize our Splunk web login page. There is one more thing left, which is how to change the Splunk logo. That is this logo. In next video, we will learn this also. and I hope you find this video useful and do try this. And as I mentioned, I'll be putting that settings stanza in my video description. You can copy from there and you can try. And in the next video, we will learn how to customize the logo. Till then, please subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave your message in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon with our next video.